Hey guys, Nick Coates here. I am here today to talk about 5 easy ways to optimize your order form in order to get more sales out of the traffic that you're already paying for. Before I get into that, I'm Nick Coates. I used to work at ClickBank actually. I worked here for 2.5 years, and they've asked me back to provide a little content because now I run an agency where I help people with optimization and media buying and other things. So they asked me to come here today to speak with you about 5 easy ways that you can optimize your order form. So here we go. All right, guys, so let's talk about the psychology of an order form to begin with. So the reason that the order form is such a valuable piece of real estate to optimize or to focus on is that is the last place that a person has to object to doing business with you. Does that make sense? So that means they've got all excited about the offer you sent them to. They click buy, they go to that order form, and they're like, you're asking them to pull out their wallet and give you, a perfect stranger, their money and buy something that they know nothing about. So this is where a lot of buyers bail, right? A lot of potential buyers will leave your order form. A standard, really great order form conversion rate is north of 20%, right? So if your order form isn't there, there's elements that you can put on the page, or even if it is there, there's elements that you can add to the page that will help it convert better. There's 5 of them. Number 1, testimonials. Testimonials are an easy way to make that consumer, that potential buyer, feel good that somebody has been there before them and done the same thing. They tried to buy and they had a great experience. It could be a 4-star review. It could have pictures of their face or not, but it could be a little blurb about the product or service that you're selling. Put a handful of them on there, maybe 5 of them on the order form. That's going to make that buyer feel more confident to make that purchase, that perfect stranger to pull out their wallet and give you that trusted credit card information. That's number 1. Number 2 would be a badge or a trust seal. Again, what you're doing here is reassuring them that it's safe to do this. It's safe to pull out their credit card and make that purchase from you. You want them to feel warm and fuzzy about it. So you're going to add things like 100% secure purchase. You're going to add things like that ClickBank trust seal maybe, right? There's all of these trust seals that you can get out there. McAfee, Norton Antivirus, there's AAA Better Business Bureau. There's all sorts of trust seals out there that you can put on the order form to make that decision. Now, an important note to make there, put it by the buy button, because that's where they're literally about to make the decision, is next to the buy button. So if they feel warm and fuzzy that there's trust badges right underneath that buy button, they're going to be more likely to click it. That's important. Number 3, urgency. Why are they going to buy now? Give them a reason to buy now and not wait till later. Does that make sense? Because if they wait till later, odds are they're not going to come back and purchase from you. You need to capture their attention and give them a really important reason to buy right now. So what I want you to do is add something like a timer to the order form. I want you to add special bonuses that if they buy now, they get these bonuses. You can literally say, if you buy now, I'll include these free bonuses, right? You're making them think and feel like there's a reason for me to do this right now and have urgency on the page. It really helps. Number 4, product images. Product images are very rarely used, but they're very powerful. You want to remind the consumer that they're getting a really great product out of this. So if you have those images, place them in the header above the top of in the header image itself. Place them right next, maybe in the right-hand column of that order form, somewhere on that order form where it's going to remind them of the product they're getting and how much value they're getting. Add the value there, worth $297 crossed out, yours today for just X dollars. You're reminding them that they're getting a deal and they're getting a great product. Number 5, very important, money back guarantee. This is also going to make them feel confident that if for some reason they don't have a great experience with your product or service, they can get their money back. There's no risk. It's absolutely risk-free. And make sure that money back guarantee is down around the buy button real estate. Again, to the side of it is perfect. If you can put it there down below the trust seals, that's okay too. But you want to test these things. You want to test adding them and what sort of a lift it gives to your overall conversion rates. Very, very important. The last, certainly not least, it's a bonus item, is the customer service phone number. If you add that on the page, it's going to make somebody feel like if they have a problem, they can contact you and get their money back, right? You want to make them feel like it's okay to purchase from you. It's safe. If they don't have a good experience, they can get their money back. This is the number they can call to do it. Guys, those are the 5 things that you can do right now today to help your order form convert better.